Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change theme in Vita Mahjong. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When the app opens, look at the menu icon or the profile icon. This is usually found in the top corner of the screen. Tap it to open the menu. Inside the settings, tap on the option called Theme, Appearance or Game Style. Tap this option, but unfortunately in my region it's not available. In your region it might be available. So if available, tap it. You will see now different theme available. Themes can change the background, title design or color of the game. Go through the themes and choose the one you like. Tap on the theme to preview it. Once you select the theme, tap apply or confirm. The game will automatically change to the new theme. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.